my god. I just watched the new Demon Slayer movie, Demon Slayer Infinite Train. It is amazing. This is going to be a review video of it in case you missed any parts or you just want to have confirmation of stuff. So, basically, first, I want to cover Enmu, or the lower one of the 12 Kizuki. She's very strong, but she's easy to counter, and that makes her not a waxing moon. The waxing moon is the upper and not the lower, just so you know. Anyway, she's easy to counter because because her blood demon art is that she can put you to sleep, which, as seen in the movie, Tanjiro kills himself in his dream so that he can stay awake. And then Inosuke, you can't see where Inosuke is looking because of his boar mask. And so he can't be affected by the blood demon art. And then she also is just super weak, and she doesn't have any, actual strong attacks on someone. But covering Enmu, that's out of the way. Now, Akaza. Holy crap. If you didn't know, Akaza is the upper 3 of the waxing moon of the 12 Kizuki. He has a blood demon art. I can't remember if it's called this or not, but I'm pretty sure it's called Technique Development. And he is very, very strong. Now I'm getting into the Rengoku part. A lot of people say, oh, Enmu killed Rengoku. But no, Enmu did not kill Rengoku. Akaza did. Akaza is so strong to be able to take on Rengoku, kill Rengoku, and make it out alive. He's now probably my favorite demon. He is super strong, and I feel like he's a very underrated character. But everyone was affected by the death. I'll just show a couple of pictures real quick. Even the freaking crow. The crow was crying. Now, we all know, Tanjiro and the Rock Hashira often cry, but still, they don't just cry over nothing. Anyways, that's my review, and I rate this a 9.9 to watch. If you are not a Demon Slayer fan, I still highly recommend you watch this. But if you are a Demon Slayer fan, it's a 100%, you gotta watch it. You have to watch it. It's really good. I used a Safari browser called Anime Xplay. It's a free website, and it's ad-free anime. The only thing is that it's a little lower graphics, just a little lower resolution. It's still really high resolution, just lower than regular. Anyway, that concludes my review of Demon Slayer: The Infinite Train. Thank you for your interest, and have an amazing day.